Hey, what's up guys? It's Jay with After the Wear, Wear or Beware. Today we are continuing our review on Minimal.la's flannel. Didn't want to pass up the opportunity since there was a restock. Background story on this was about a year ago I discovered the brand, fell in love with their jeans, ordered a couple tops to go with the jeans, but didn't really have a great experience with the tops. Let's go ahead and unwrap this. It's my first shirt, not t-shirt, first shirt from Minimal. So on the website, they're still $54. Go on their website, they have great things. I believe they don't do like a fall, winter, spring, summer, collection to release. They just go with brand new stuff and they just, keep on going from there, which is nice because every so often you have new product that hits the website and then you go. And I wear a size large. And I have an athletic build, so that's why I got the large. So this is the front right here. I know you can't really see it, but so this right here, it kind of has, that loose fit to it. The tag here, and it's actually 60% polyester, 35% rayon, and 5% spandex, which is great for me because I love that stretch. And it doesn't have, it does have care instructions, but they're in symbols. So you gotta check. Struggling already. Some of the thread got caught. So it's definitely a loose fit. My arms are pretty lengthy, so I'm about 6 feet tall. So when your hands are at rest, they do fall to that. But stretched out, they are a little short, which is totally fine. I like to button up the first button. So I know there are a couple wrinkles. So tips on, things like this where, you may not want to iron it. I suggest getting a steamer, like magic. It'll get out any wrinkle. And so it does have that kind of like curved, like a curved tall tee type effect on the back. I'm actually wearing a tall curved tank top, so it kind of matches and you'll see the layering. This is pretty thick. Anyways, moving on. Literally, just to let you guys know, there's gonna be a second review after I've worn it and I've checked the care instructions. I'm gonna go ahead and create another review on After the Wear. If you guys have any questions, comments, leave them in the box below. Again, don't forget to hit the like button and also subscribe. I will do a follow-up on this as a reminder. I promise you guys I will let you know how it is after, so it'll give you guys an idea whether to make the decision to purchase it or not. So far so good, but again, this is after the unboxing. So we'll catch you guys after the wear.